Hi, I'm Younes. Not long ago, one of my apps went down in the middle of the night. I spent hours scrolling through CloudWatch logs trying to figure out what went wrong. There were connection errors, webhook failures, random warnings, and nothing pointed clearly to the root cause. By the time I fixed it, I had lost an entire night and real money. That's why I built CloudWatchman. It's a multi-agent system that automatically investigates incidents and runs completely inside your own AWS account with no external services being used. Setup takes only a few minutes. You run one command and CloudWatchman spins up everything it needs in your AWS environment. That includes roles, buckets, lambdas, and Fargate agents that run on a schedule. Again, there's no central server and no shared data, so everything runs securely in your account. Once deployed, the dashboard shows 3 agents working together. The supervisor agent coordinates investigations. The log analyst searches logs by similarity using semantic embeddings, which I'll come to later. And the metrics analyst looks for anomalies in CPU, memory, and lambda durations. These agents communicate in real time through SNS topics, each working in parallel to build a full picture of what happened. Here's what that looks like. Since the agents are constantly running in the background, we can use the chat tool to manually step into them and ask, "My app went down, find the root cause." The agents immediately start working. The log analyst fetches recent errors, the metrics analyst checks correlated lambda metrics, and the supervisor pulls the evidence together. In this case, CloudWatchman flagged a repeated error. Q does not exist. It generated a critical incident report, which I will show you later, and it even created a Jira ticket automatically with the full context and the recommended fixes. That's the aha moment. That's when I realized that this thing is doing real work for me and how much time it will save me in the future. Behind the scenes, agents take notes between scans using a take note tool, share findings via SNS topics, and when context gets full, they summarize their own history using the same Nova micro instance when memory grows large. The supervisor listens to all of this, combines the evidence, and decides if there's an incident. Now let's look at that incident report. It was sent by SES over email with a summary, a severity score, confidence level, and recommended next steps. Each finding links directly to the exact logs and metrics that support it. But here's where CloudWatchman becomes truly powerful. Every email includes feedback links like helpful, false positive, or needs context. When you click one, the agent updates its own behavior through reinforcement learning. It stores feedback in DynamoDB as part of a Q learning policy. This creates a genuine human-to-agent communication loop. Over time, the agents begin to understand your team's standards for severity, context, and action. That's CloudWatchman, not just another monitoring dashboard, but a fully autonomous incident investigator that runs inside your AWS account. I encourage you to try it out today. Just open your terminal and run npm install -g CloudWatchman, then run the CloudWatchman command with no parameters and watch it take over right away inside your AWS account. It also comes with a destroy command that will kill any resources that it has previously created. At the moment, it handles operational incidents, but the same framework can easily extend to cost, security, or compliance analysis. The architecture is modular because each new agent is defined by a system prompt, given its own toolkit and data context, and integrated into the existing SNS and supervisor pipeline. Let's push incident response into the autonomous era. Thank you for listening.